Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Today, April 8, 2026. On the Family Life Skills calendar, science is everywhere. Today is Science Experiment Day, a chance to explore, experiment, and discover something amazing. Turn your home into a mini laboratory. Try a baking soda volcano, floating eggs, or even magic milk experiments. Unleash your inner scientist. Ask questions, test ideas, and make discoveries. Every experiment boosts curiosity, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Science isn't just about learning, it's about having fun together. So grab some household items and let's make learning come alive. Every great scientist starts with one question. What will you discover today? Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.